What's up, YouTube baby? Welcome back to the channel. It's Friday night and you know what time it is. It's that update on the portfolio. What we've been doing all week. If you're new to the channel, I welcome you and encourage you to follow me on this journey of growing a small portfolio in 2025. Investing in the stock market, investing in companies, and buying shares. Ultimate goal, to get 100 shares of every stock, every company that we own. And I'm going to show you, and I hope to encourage you to invest your hard-working money so that you can cut your years short of working. I started my own individual investment account, which I should have started 27 years ago. But, the financial education just isn't out there. And if you a knucklehead like me, you ain't going to run into it. Now, I like money. I've always have. Investing, I didn't know how the stock market worked. So follow me on this journey, 2025. Now, I'm an amateur. I don't know about trading. I don't know about options trading. I don't know about daily trading. Trying to learn that, but I'm not taking those big risks yet. Long-term investing, I know plenty about. And I know that if you buy them shares in good companies, I know that over the next 5 to 25 years, that shit will pay the fuck off. I ain't lying. I am not lying. So with that being said, it's Friday night, and we are showing you the updates. What we did this week. What we did this week, we did $5 a day into SCHD. It's not much, but it's something. We put $50 into Amazon. We did one share. We bought one more share of SoFi Select 500, ticker symbol SFY. Now, we will be doing the $5 a day in the SCHD for the year. Hopefully, we can ante that up to $10 a day. We don't know yet. We're doing $5 a day because that's realistic. For my situation, that's realistic. So, if you're new to investing, I encourage you, invest. It will pay off over time. Options, we did like 3 options. I'll post that up there. I'll say I broke even. If anything, I came out a couple bucks. Maybe I gained $30. And I should have known this off the top of the head, but I don't. And that's why I want to encourage you to follow me, man, because I'm a rookie at this shit, man. A rookie. A lot of things I've learned. One thing, they supposed to say keep a journal of all your trades. Keep a journal. I don't do that shit yet. I need to do it. Keep a journal of all your trades. Also, the goal, which we're working on this year, and that's why I want you to follow me, 100 shares of every company, every stock that we own. Right now, we did SoFi, SOFI. We got 100 shares. Now, we're going to SCHD. We got Amazon on deck, and we got SoFi Select 500 on deck. We're going to show that update. Every Friday night, we're going to update you. Some weeks might be stronger. Some weeks might be more aggressive. This week, I'll say, was on the less aggressive side. We weren't too ambitious. We bought a little, not crazy. But every week, we will put at least $5 in the market. Every week. For sure, we put $5 in SCHD every day. But we're going to always try to build that Amazon up, you dig? And like I said, this channel is not financial advice. Never, nor will it ever be for financial advice. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Only. So with that being said, man, I'm just here to help others, you know, encourage others to start their own investment journey, man. Get it? In 2025. I don't know. I think it's the glasses. I think it's the glasses that make me say you dig. You dig? Because when I don't wear them, I really don't say that. I don't say you dig. So, anyways, this Friday night, we're showing you the update on the portfolio. Um, Amazon, a little bit about them. Watch it. So what we're doing with Amazon, I know last video I said I'll be doing the $5 a day in Amazon, but instead I did a pivot. I'm doing the $5 a day in SCHD because Amazon, I know the range is a little bit. It has dipped all the way down to 190, 191. Don't quote me, but 191, I know you can quote me on that. Might have dipped to 190, not positive. But anyway, it's going in between the ranges of like 193 and 195, right? I think the highest has been is 198. Um, so what we're gonna do is just have cash on the side, and when it dips all the way down to like 191, then we'll buy a share or so. You know, until then, we're just gonna throw like 25, $50 in it. Like today was 193 or 194. We threw $50 in it. Just $50. We're gonna do $5 a day in the SGHD because that's a constant build up. The main purpose is to get 100 shares of every stock and company we own. And that's the lesson I've learned. Okay, guys? You want to own 100 shares of every stock company that you own. Because one or two shares just, it's not going to do it, guys. It's not going to cut it. But options, we did a little bit. We fadangled a little bit. Not much, just a little bit. Options, like I said, I'm not an expert nowhere. I'm trying to learn options because I want to make that money grow quicker. I'm trying to learn options. Day trading, I don't do too much of day trading. Long-term investing, I know it pays off. I know it pays off. So I just want, you know what? I'm here for you guys. So if you like the video, man, please subscribe. Throw a thumbs up. And if you're feeling generous, share with your friends and your family. Till next time, peace.